Today I received a package from Shiftcam. This package is called Snapgrip Creator Kit. This is something that I'd like to obtain for quite a while but never got around to it. This package comes with a Snapgrip itself, a short tripod that doubles as a selfie stick, Snaplight that can be used in any combination, and you just put them together using the MagSafe capability of your phone. And as we know that pretty much nobody reads the instruction manual except for myself, Shiftcam ingeniously put the manual inside the front flap of the packaging. This way you get all the information on how to use this equipment without the feeling that you have read the instruction manual. Because, you know, reasons. Opening the box, you are greeted with a whole bunch of QR codes. One of them is for the warranty, another for instructions manual. On top of that, there are a couple more QR code stickers on the instruction manual on the gadgets themselves. Here's the tiny yet sturdy tripod that feels really nice in my hand. Next, we have the USB-A to USB-C connector. Here is the case for the Snapgrip itself with the Snapgrip inside, obviously. Nicely molded with grippy material. The short selfie stick with a QR code sticker to access the instruction manual. And if you have an archaic phone without MagSafe, you can stick this thingy so you can join the fun. And here it is, the Snapgrip. And that white circle thing, that's the LED light with mirror, so you can frame yourself somewhat when you're using the back of the camera's phone. And there it is again, the QR code for the instructions manual. And as a reminder, not only you can use this unit as a shutter release, but you can also use it as a charger for your phone. And here we go. This is how it looks. Really nice there. Very ergonomic, very nice feeling in my hand. And the added heft to it makes taking picture a lot easier, a lot more stable, which of course in return makes taking photo more fun to the next level. Take note that the magnet is very strong, so it's quite safe to stick it on your phone without creating concern that it will fall off or something like that. And now this is how it looks using the short selfie stick. Again, very strong, very reassuring. I truly love this kit. And this is the video results of me taking video of my lunch. It's more stable than usual. So yeah, highly recommend it. Buy it. Leave your comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.